Opening slime. Wait. My mom's watching a show in the background, so just ignore that. We got like a little scooper and like some snowflakes. And I don't know what this is, but it's something. It seems sticky. I'm scared. Oh no. Nice. It's actually like a nice, spicy, like, I actually like that a lot. Sorry, there's a car passing by. But I actually like this a lot. I'm gonna put like the food coloring or coloring in, whatever. Out the window. I'm gonna put the snowflakes in first. It's giving like crunchy, kind of like. I actually really like that. Like that's actually nice. Oh my gosh, this bright light. Oh nice. That was actually like really hard to get open. I had to use my teeth and like yeah. Okay, we got this. We got it open and then just like squeeze it in, I guess. That's a lot. Mixy. Purple in it, but like I feel like I'm not gonna put any more because it kind of made it a little more sticky. It's still not really sticky, but I actually like it like this nice purple. I think there's still a little more like purple in it though, so I'm just gonna keep it like